Hello, my name is Karina Finke and this is my presentation for the class CIT 336. The topic of this presentation is SQL keywords where, from, and. So let's start. First of all, I want to say what is SQL. So SQL is a structured query language. It's a programming language designed to manage data stored in relational database. So SQL operates through simple declarative statements. It also keeps data accurate and secure, and it helps maintain the integrity of database regardless of size. So SQL words we will cover in this presentation only 3, but there are much more than just 3 keywords, and you can see the whole list of the keywords at the end of this presentation in my references list. So first I will start with the keyword and. So it only includes rows where both conditions is true. So and command also used with where to only include rows where both conditions is true. The following SQL statement selects all fields from customer where country is Germany and city is Berlin. So for example, you can see select from customer where country Germany and city Berlin. Next keyword is from. Specifies which table to select or delete data from. The from command also used to specify which table to select or delete data from. The following SQL statement selects the customer name and city, columns from the customer table. So in the example you can see how the code looks like. So select customer name, city from customers. So this following SQL statement will select all of the columns from the customers table. Another example, it selects from customers, so the following statement will delete the customer Alfred's Futterkiste from the customers table. So for the example for it, you just delete from customers where customer name is Alfred's Futterkiste. And the third keyword, it's where. Filters and results set to include only records that fulfill specified conditions. So where command filters the results set to include only records that fulfill a specified condition. The following SQL statement selects all of the customers from Mexico in the customer table. So in the example you can see the code. Select from customer where country is Mexico. SQL requires single quotes around text values. So just like the most database system will allow double quote, but numeric fields should not be enclosed quotes. So for example, select from customers where customer ID equals 1. And you have to remember that the where clause is not only used in select statement, but also can be used in update, delete statements, etc. Also about the where keyword, the following operators that can be used in where clause. So you can see the operators and description. What does it mean? Well, you know equal, you know not equal, but you have to remember that in different versions of SQL it could be written as exclamation mark equal. Also, you're familiar with this, the greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, and between, so it's a between the certain range or like, it's search for a pattern, so something like the previous thing. In, it's to specify multiple possible values for a column. And that's my references. So in those two you can see all of the keywords that I found. It was probably maybe existed much more, but and here the information where I took from about the keywords, and from oh sorry, that's where a little mistake found. Yeah, and this is also another list of SQL commands if you're interested in. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this presentation was useful for you and understandable. Have a good day. Goodbye.